All right, welcome back. Now, there's been a few reports out there. Nothing official has been announced, but there's been a number of people saying that the Google Pixel updates this month specifically have been a lot faster than in past. And as you know, I just made a video last week in regards to how long these things take, right? Look, we've been Pixel owners and users for years, and it seems like every month, every single update, every month, every year, for years, these updates take a tremendous amount of time. My Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra basically can update. Look, I haven't timed it, but it's got to be 5 minutes. The Nothing phone just updated that last week. Took like 3, 4, 5 minutes. I'm not lying to you. Sometimes my Pixel or any one of the Pixels in our house can take hours to update. Yes, hours. Like I remember one time last year it took, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours. I mean, it was literally ridiculous. And this has been like one of my major complaints. And look, it's a small complaint, whatever, but it is a big hassle, right? When you update the device, they take forever. There's no, like, come on. There's no need for that. So, long story short, since there's been reports, they've got their updates are faster. They're, whatever, blah 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 blah. So let's do it. All right, enough talking. Let's do it. So this is the what is this? The Android 14 quarterly platform release. QPR, the one that we just announced yesterday on our 2 days ago, the video. This is the beta build Android 14. Now, it's only 416 megabytes. And before anybody can say in the comments, well, you had slow Wi-Fi, so that's why it took forever. We do have fairly quick. Look, it's not gigabit internet on Wi-Fi. It is when it's wired, but not on Wi-Fi. But we do have we're at 250 download speeds. So theoretically, it should only take a minute or two to download. So let's see. Once it gets downloaded, we will put Google to the test and put this rumor in these claims to rest, right? So we're gonna sit here and record it. Now, if it takes an hour, I'll just have to speed up the video while it updates. But there are my internet speeds, so let's test it out. Download and install. And away we go. All right, where are we at? It finally updated? Or let's see. Okay, now I got to restart. Now let's see what it says. All right. Well, that didn't take as long. I guess technically, they're right. It's a little faster than it is in the past. Look, with each update, it varies because depending on how big the file size is that has to download and then has to update in the system, has taken much longer in the past. So I guess technically they have increased the updating speed. So yeah, so probably took somewhere, if I cut out all the, I'm going to cut out the time we had to wait, time I walked away from the camera, just a rough estimate. Once I edit this video, I'll be able to tell more accurately how long it took, but off the top of my head, probably 17, 18 minutes, I believe, right, 18 to 20 minutes probably, I think, which is faster, but it's still not where it should be, in my opinion. Again, my Galaxy updates in a few minutes, 4 or 5 minutes. Nothing phone, 4 or 5 minutes, same thing. So it's a good step in the right direction, but still have improvement. Look, I'll take a 20-minute Pixel update over anything, right? At least when it comes to Pixel updates, compared to, like I said, in the past, it is better. but still room for improvement.